Now see. Today we have to see vertical circular motion, vertical circular motion under gravity. Under gravity. Today we have to see vertical circular motion under gravity. See here, vertical circular motion. See, consider a bob suspended by weightless, inextensible and flexible string. Suppose this one as a bob. Consider a bob suspended by weightless, inextensible and flexible string and revolved in a vertical motion in anticlockwise direction. काय पाहतोय आपण करी vertical circular motion. Consider a bob suspended by weightless, inextensible and flexible string and frilled along a vertical circular motion in anticlockwise direction. Let m, that is mass of bob, r radius of circle, theta angle between string with vertical. Suppose bob is in this position. Suppose bob is in this position like this. Theta, that is angle between string with vertical, m mass of bob, r radius of vertical circle, theta angle between string with vertical. Then during its motion forces acting on bob. म्हणजे याची मोशन चालू असताना आपण अँटीक्लॉकवाइज मोशन घेतोय. याची मोशन चालू असताना याच्यावर ऍक्ट होणारे फोर्सेस 1, दॅट इज वेट mg acting vertically downward direction and tension in string, that is T. During its motion, forces acting on this bob, 1, that is weight mg acting vertically downward, and second, that is tension in string, that is T, which is along string towards center. टेंशन कैसा है? along string towards center, like this. During its motion, forces acting on bob, 1, that is weight mg acting vertically downward direction, and second, that is tension in string. आता आपण काय करतोय, या ठिकाणी 3 पोझिशन घेतोय. ॲट अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन A, लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन B, and suppose mid position, that is C. आता आपण या ठिकाणी 3 पोझिशन घेतो. कोणत्या? अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन, लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन अँड मिड पोझिशन. ह्या 3 पोझिशनला आपण त्याची व्हेलॉसिटी पाहतोय. बघा, पहिलं ॲट अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन. ॲट अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन A. At uppermost position, tension in string is directed towards, as well as weight of bob is also directed towards center. Means tension as well as weight mg. At uppermost position, tension at A, TA. At uppermost position, tension at A, TA, as well as weight mg directed towards center of circle, which provides necessary centripetal force, and therefore total force towards center, that is mg plus TA, means this total force provides necessary centripetal force, that is mv square by r, and this is velocity at A, VA. परत बघा मी काय म्हणतो इथं, VA, that is velocity at A. तर आपण काय करतोय, ॲट अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन पाहतोय. काय आहे ॲट अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन? At uppermost position, tension as well as weight mg acting vertically downward direction, means this total force is balanced by centripetal force, that is mg plus ta, like this. For minimum speed, tension at A becomes 0. कमीत कमी स्पीड किती असलं पाहिजे, तर या ठिकाणचं टेन्शन 0 झालं पाहिजे. आणि therefore mg is equal to mva square by r. m ला m कॅन्सल, therefore va is equal to va square is equal to rg. therefore velocity at A is equal to root rg. Suppose this is equation number 1. परत बघा काय सांगितलं, ॲट अप्पर मोस्ट पोझिशन म्हणजे या पोझिशनला बोथ वेट अँड टेन्शन आर डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड सेंटर, मीन्स दिस फोर्स provides necessary centripetal force, therefore it becomes mv square by r. For minimum speed, tension becomes 0. This is velocity at lowest position. आता आपण पाहतोय at uppermost position. Second point, that is at upper position, uppermost position. Second, that is at uppermost position, uppermost position. Sorry, at lowermost, at lowermost position. At lowermost position, weight mg is directed along vertically downward direction, and tension in string is directed towards center, that is TB. At lowest position, weight mg is directed vertically downward, and tension at B is directed towards center. बघा नाही तर वेट कुठं आहे, खाली, टेन्शन कुठं आहे वरती, मग त्या दोघातला रिझल्टंट फोर्स, या दोघातला रिझल्टंट फोर्स produces necessary centripetal force, and therefore we can write TB, that is tension at B, minus weight mg is equal to mv square by r. This is velocity at B, that is Vb. आताच काय सांगितलं बघा, at lower position tension is directed towards center, weight is directed vertically downward direction, and difference between these two forces gives necessary centripetal force, that is mv square by r. Now by law of conservation of energy, what is law of conservation of energy? Total energy at A is equal to total energy at B. Means when Bob moves from A to B, then total energy at A is converted into total energy at B. Total energy म्हणजेच kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is kinetic energy plus potential energy. इथं पण कायनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी, therefore kinetic energy 1/2 mva square plus potential energy mg into potential energy mgh. पण हा जो बॉब आहे, हा बॉब होरिझॉन्टल लेवल पासून एवढ्या हाईट वरती, mgh म्हणजेच काय, हाईट ऑफ बॉब फ्रॉम होरिझॉन्टल लेवल. मग या होरिझॉन्टल लेवल पासून त्याची हाईट r प्लस r म्हणजे 2r, म्हणजेच पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी बिकम्स mg इंटू 2r. बघा, टोटल एनर्जी ऍट ए, टोटल एनर्जी म्हणजेच कायनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. कायनेटिक एनर्जी 1/2 mv स्क्वेअर प्लस पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी mgh. 1/2 mv स्क्वेअर velocity at A, Va. Height at A, 2r. At B, kinetic energy 1/2 mvb square plus potential energy. Horizontal level असेल तर potential energy 0. B हा आपण horizontal level ला कन्सिडर करतोय, आणि मग horizontal level ला त्याची potential energy 0. सर्व ठिकाणचा m काढून टाका. परत हा जो 2 आहे, हा 2 आणि हा 2 काढून टाकण्यासाठी त्याने इथं मल्टिप्लाय करा, दॅट इज Va स्क्वेअर प्लस 4rg इज इक्वल टू Vb स्क्वेअर. बघा, हा डिनॉमिनेटरचा 2 आणि हा डिनॉमिनेटरचा 2 काढून टाकण्यासाठी त्यानं आपण इथं मल्टिप्लाय केलं, म्हणजे इथं आलं Va स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 न मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 4rg is equal to Vb square. But Va, velocity at A, root rg, त्याचा स्क्वेअर केला तर rg, therefore rg plus 4rg is equal to Vb square. Therefore Vb square is equal to 5rg. Therefore velocity at B is equal to root 5rg. This is velocity at lowest position. Velocity at highest position root rg. Velocity at lowest position root 5rg. आता मग टेन्शन डिफरन्स बिटवीन लोएस्ट पोजिशन and highest position. Tension difference. Now tension difference between point at highest and lowest position. Tension difference between lowest and highest position. tension at B is greater than tension at A, therefore tension difference TB minus TA is equal to tension at lowest position, that is mg plus m phi square by r, minus tension at low, minimum tension at highest position is 0, which is equal to mg plus m velocity at B root 5 rg, त्याचा स्क्वेअर केला तर 5 rg डिवाइडेड बाय r, r ला r कॅन्सल, mg plus 5 mg which is equal to 6 mg. This is tension difference at lowest position and highest position. Now third, velocity at mid position, that is C. Velocity at highest position root rg, lowest position root 5 rg. Now velocity at C. हित देखील आपण असं करायचं, बाय लॉ ऑफ कॉन्झर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, हित पण तेच, that is kinetic energy at A is equal to kinetic energy at C. Kinetic energy at A, that is 1/2 m phi A square plus potential energy mg into 2r is equal to kinetic energy at C 1/2 m phi C square plus potential energy mg into r. आता इथं काय आहे, C या पोझिशनला व्हर्टिकल हाईट, त्याची व्हर्टिकल हाईट इज इक्वल टू रेडियस, म्हणून या ठिकाणी रेडियस घेतलं. आता काय करूया, हा एम काढून टाकला, हा खालचा टू काढून टाकण्यासाठी त्यानं हिथं मल्टिप्लाय करा. देअरफॉर phi A स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 rg इज इक्वल टू phi C स्क्वेअर प्लस rg, phi A रूट rg, त्याचा इथं 2 न मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, phi A स्क्वेअर rg रूट rg त्याचा स्क्वेअर rg, देअरफॉर rg प्लस 4 rg इज इक्वल टू phi C स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 rg, 1 प्लस 4 5 rg minus 2 rg, therefore phi C square is equal to 3 rg, therefore velocity at C becomes root 3 rg. This is velocity at lowest position, means velocity at highest position root rg, at mid position phi C is equal to root 3 rg, and velocity at lowest position phi B is equal to root 5 rg. Velocity at highest position, velocity at lowest position, velocity at mid position. Highest position ला root rg, lowest position ला root 5 rg, आणि mid position ला root 3 rg. This is about vertical circular motion. Okay, remaining part of next period.